now from the same practice set, that is from the practice set 1.1, we are going to see the example number 8. So that example is what, 49x minus 57y is equals to 172, and the second equation is what, 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. So now this example also you can do by the previous two examples, but now for this type of example I will explain you the another method. It is also the simultaneous method, the previous one, but just there are little difference. Why that difference? Because if you observe both the equations, so from when you observe both the equation, that time what you observe, if you see the equation number 1, the first term coefficient, and in the equation number 2, the second term coefficient, that is the second variable coefficient, are the same. It means what, here 49, x variable coefficient is the 49, and in equation number 2, y variable coefficient is 49. And if you observe the equation number 1, second variable, this is y variable, it is what, here it is 57 and here also it is 57. It means what, if you cross it, then their cross coefficient are the same. So whenever the coefficient of the alternate variable in linear equations are same, so that time only you can use this method. Why you have to use this method? Because of this method your calculation work will reduce. If you follow the regular method of the simultaneous equation, then to make their coefficient equal, it will take time, and for the multiplication also you will require lots of time. To save your time, you can use this alternate method. But in case whenever there are the cross coefficient are same, then only you can use this method. Otherwise all simultaneous equation you can solve by the previous method only. So now here if you use the previous method, for that all of you know that we need to make their coefficient equal. So suppose you decide to cancel y variable, so for that you need to equation number 1 multiply by the 49, and equation number 2 you need to multiply the 57. So it is the 49 into 57. For this multiplication you need more time, and same for this 172 into 49 you require the more time. So to save that time you have to follow this another method. So for that method there are only 3 steps. That is what, the first step is add, subtract and add. This is the shortcut method to keep in the mind. So what is the meaning of this add, subtract, add? So you will not understood, but when I will explain that sum with the proper method, so that time you will get exactly the what is the meaning of this add, subtract and the add formula. So now here it means what, see here it is going for the multiplication, it is going to take time, so we are going to use this. So for this method what you have to need to do first, whatever the two equations are given, that you have to add as it is. So here the equation number 1 and 2 we are going to add, but keep in mind when you are going to use this method, when the cross coefficient are same, then only, otherwise don't use this one. Otherwise we are going to follow the regular method. So now here we are going to add both the equations. So here we are going to say adding equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is what, 49x minus 57y is equals to 172. Second equation, 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. So adding. So what is the addition of this one? 49 plus 57. I am going to do it on the backside page, rough page. So that is nothing but 49 1 7 16. So it is 106x minus again 59 into it is the cross, so it is again same 106, that is 106. Y is equals to here 4, 5 plus 7 12, and carry 1 here 2 3 4. So it is what, 424. So always keep in mind. See, now what is we are getting answer, 106x minus 106y is equals to 424. So now see here, when you add or when you subtract, so that time at the end, whatever the after addition or subtraction, whatever the equation you are going to get, so that is always divided by the one particular same number. तो वो number दैट इज विच नंबर, वो नंबर कौन सा होता है. तो यहाँ पे ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वॉट एवर द numbers you get, see whenever you add this equation, so this side you will get the same equations. Means if you are getting 106, so here also y coefficient is also 106. This what is the meaning of this 106 106? So this all the equation is you can divide it by the 106 because this side you are getting the 106. If you are getting the, if you solve the example number second, when you are going to solve that one example number seventh one, so that time also that seventh one is also same this type of question, but I will explain you this and then you are going to solve the seventh one. So now here 106x minus 106y is equals to 424. So this full equation is 101% is going to you can divide it by the 106. So that's why we are going to say dividing by 106. So 106 x upon 106. So what you are getting? Only x is you are getting. Here y minus in 106 table 424 you will get. See here last digit is was 6. तो 6 के टेबल में 4 कब आता है? 6 4 जा. It means what? I will do it 106 into 4. So 6 4 जा 24, 2 carry 2 as it is, and 4 1s are 4. Means what? 106 into 4 we are getting 424. So it means what? Here it is what? 4. So here we are getting the new equation. So that equations we are going to say equation number, this is first second. So here we are going to say it is equation number 3. X minus y किस तरह से आए? I will that explain here. It is the rough calculation you have to do on the back side. Clear? So here 106x upon 106 minus 106y upon 106. So 106 cancel. So what is remaining? X minus 1, and that's why here it is the x minus y. So here we get the x minus y. So it is the first method, that is the add. It means what? We add both the equation. Now the second is what? Subtract. Means whatever that first two equations are there, we have to subtract. So now just keep in mind, when you are going to go for the subtractions, always keep in mind bigger coefficient subtract from the smaller one. So here bigger one, which is the equation is bigger one, so that equation you have to understood from the constant term. So here the constant term is what? 252, and it is bigger than 172. It means what? It is the bigger one. So that's why we are going to subtract the equation number 1 from the equation number 2. So here we are going to say subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So from equation 2 we are going to subtract equation number 1. So equation number 2 we are going to write down first. So 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. Minus sign and the equation number 1, 49x minus 57y is equals to 172. So here I say subtract. All of you know that because of this minus sign, second equations all the signs are going to change. So here the plus 49 become the minus 49, minus 57 become the plus 57, and the 172 is the plus, so it is become the minus. So now 57 minus 49, it is what? 57 minus 49 is nothing but the 8. So here our answer is what? 8x. Now just keep in mind the greater number sign. 49 is the smaller one, 57 is the plus sign. So here plus 8x. Now again 49 minus 57, plus 57 and 8. So here plus minus. So here you have to do the subtraction, because all of you know that whenever plus minus come we do the subtraction and give the greater number sign. So here again 57 minus 49 is nothing but the 8y, and the sign, which sign will become greater number. So in this 49 and 57, which is the greater number? 57 greater number, and 57 having which sign? Here minus, but we change the sign. So now the 50 minus 57 become the plus 57. So it is the plus sign. So here you will get the plus sign is equals to 252 minus 172. 252 minus 172 is nothing but what? 80. Why the subtraction? Because plus 172 become the minus. So minus plus minus. So 252 minus this one is nothing but the 8. So now see, if you observe both the equation, here 106 y and here 8x 8x. It means what, this full equation we are going to divide by the 8. So here again same method, dividing by 8. So when we dividing by this 8, so what we are getting, 8 plus y is equals to 8 tens are 18. So it is the 10, and this is equation number 4. Now observe the equation number 3rd and 4th. For your convenience, I will again write down here. So equation number 3rd is what, x minus y is equals to 4. This is equation number new, that is 3rd one. And equation number 4th is what, x plus y is equals to 10. Equation number 4th. So now see here, if you observe equation number 3rd and the 4th, then there is no need to change the sign. So now we are just going to see by but according to 3rd step, that is add. So we are going to say adding equation 3rd and the 4th. So when we add x plus y is equals to 4 plus sin x, suppose we are going to take x plus 4 is equals to 10 and adding x minus y is equals to 4. It is not necessary, if you say adding any one equation you can write down as it is. So x plus x, 2x plus y minus y get cancelled is equals to 10 plus 4 you are getting 14. So x is nothing but what, 14 upon 2. So x is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 7 upon 1, that is nothing but 7. So it means what, x variable coefficient value is what, 7. So now this x value, x is equal to 7, you can substitute in any one equation, either in equation number 1, 2, 3rd and 4th. So take the easiest one. So suppose I am going to take the equation number 4th one. So equation number 4th is what, x plus 4 is equals to 10. So here I am going to say substituting x is equals to 7 in equation, we are going to substitute in the 4th. So in equation number 4th, the 4th equation is what, x plus y is equals to 10. So x value is what, 7 plus y is equals to 10. So y is equals to plus 7, that side minus 7. So 10 minus y. So y is equal to 10 minus y is nothing but what, 3. It means what, the solution for this simultaneous equation is nothing but 7 and the 3. So last final answer. So therefore x minus y is equals to, x value is what, 7 comma 3 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. So here we solve this equation. Now you can solve the example number 7. Now you can solve the example number 7 from the practice set. It is similar like this method, and just the difference is there is the differences between the coefficient. For your practice, I will write down here the question number 7 is nothing but 99x plus 101y is equals to 499, and the second equation is nothing but 101x plus 99y is equals to 501. You can try to solve this example by this method. You will get the similar answer. And if you want to, instead of this method, if you use or want to use your previous method, you can use, but just you have one precautions you need to take, that is the multiplication. You have to need to do the multiplication properly. Okay, so next time we will see the graphical presentation of the simultaneous equation. Thank you.